bugs such a pain, and they're everywhere? I wanted to share a few DIY bug repellents and traps that I use in our home. Flies. Cut the lid off a recycled bottle. Pour in 1 cup boiling water and 1/8 cup sugar, and mix until the sugar dissolves. Flip the lid so it is like a funnel and place it into the bottom part of the bottle. Tape the lid onto the base and set it inside or out where flies are bad. Gnats, fruit flies, and drain flies. Mix 1 cup apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, and 1/4 teaspoon Castile soap. Cut the lid off a recycled bottle. Pour the mixture into the bottle. Flip the lid so it's like a funnel into the bottom part of the bottle. Tape the lid onto the base. Set inside or out where bugs are bad. For bug repellent, place cut up mint and lavender in 1 cup of boiling water. And let it steep for 5 minutes. Strain out the herbs and place the water in a squirt bottle. Add 1 cup of vinegar or witch hazel. Give it a little shake and it's ready to use. For ants, make a mixture of 1/8 teaspoon Castile soap and 1 cup water. Place in a spray bottle. You can use this mixture to spray the ants directly. It will soften their shells and they will die. Ants leave behind pheromones, and that is how they follow the pathway to the food source. Spray the point of entry and the area around it and wipe it up. Spraying and wiping up the area will erase the pheromones. Make an ant bait trap. Mix together 3 teaspoons sugar and 1 teaspoon borax. Get a small container with a lid and poke holes in the side so the ants can crawl in. Place the bait inside and put at the location of entry. You can also use a small lid from a recycled bottle. Place the bait inside and set it near the nest. If you have pets or kids, you won't want them getting into the borax, so make the trap with a small container instead. Alternatively, you can also make a mixture of 1/2 cup of vinegar and 1/2 cup of water as well. Find the point of entry on the outside and the inside and spray with the mixture and wipe up. Plant natural repellents around your yard, like lavender, mint, and basil. Another way to get rid of ants is to find their home and flood it with boiling water. You might need to do this a few days in a row to get rid of them. I hope this inspires you to try some DIY bug repellents and traps of your own. See you in my next video.
Hey YouTubers, thanks for watching. To never miss another Hometalk video, click here to subscribe. And to be inspired for your next DIY project, click here.